Hello! Welcome to a brief tutorial that will guide you through the process of searching for print books through the library. Let's begin by going to the library's homepage, located at www.rccc.edu/lrc. Here, you can search the library's collections through the all-in-one search box. You'll notice that the search will include not just books, but also articles, ebooks, and audiovisual resources. Don't worry, you'll learn how to narrow the results down to just books in this tutorial. Let's search for books on the United States capital, Washington, D.C. Type in the search term, Washington, D.C., into the search box. Then click on the search button. Our page of results includes many different results, over 5 million. On the left side of the screen, under the heading, Refine Your Search, are a menu of filters. These filters are how we're going to limit our search to just books. If you look under Content Type, you can see that our search retrieved results from all different formats, books, articles, ebooks, and more. To limit our search to just books, click on Books/ebook. This brought our results down to under 45,000 results. And our results now only include print books and ebooks. To view only books that are accessible in the RCCC libraries, click on Institution to reveal a list of colleges. Then click on Rowan-Cabarrus. Now your list of results will only show books that are available in one of the RCCC libraries. Once you've found a book that you like, to locate the book in the library, you need to first look to see if it's on the North, South, or NCRC campus. This book is located on North Campus. Once you know what campus it is on, visit the library and look for the book in the stacks. To find the book in the stacks, you can use this string of letters and numbers. This is what we refer to as a call number. This tells you which shelf the book is located on. If you're having difficulties finding something in the library, please let a librarian know. They'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to find books. Have questions or need more help? We are always available to help. You can come into the library, email one of our librarians, call us, or use our convenient Ask Us chat service. Links to our library's homepage, hours of operation, and Ask Us chat service are included in the description below.